Hey everyone! If you're eager to maximize your note-taking and unleash the full potential of the Kindle Scribe Pen, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll highlight 6 essential things you need to know about your Kindle Scribe Pen. Let's get started. Kindle Scribe Basic Pen vs. Premium. First up, let's talk about your pen options. You've got 2 choices, the Basic Pen and the Premium Pen. The Basic Pen only comes with the smallest storage option, which is 16 gigabytes. If you need more storage, the larger options of 32 and 64 gigs are available only with the Premium Pen. But don't worry, you can also purchase the Premium Pen with the 16 gig version. Both pens are very similar in terms of how they feel and how they are held. Even though the standard pen doesn't have an eraser function on top and a shortcut button on the side, both Kindle Scribe pen quality is the same. The materials used are also the same. The weight is only slightly different. The Basic Pen is 14.2 grams, while the Premium is 15.1 grams. Both pens attach magnetically to the side of your Kindle Scribe, ensuring it's always within reach. They also fit securely in the pen holder of your Kindle Scribe cover. No setup or pairing is needed, just start writing. Plus, the pen is battery-free, so no need to worry about recharging. You also receive 5 replacement tips and a tip replacement tool with both versions of the pen. This ensures that you can continue enjoying the pen's high performance and longevity. Kindle Scribe Pen charging. Next, let's talk about charging. The Kindle Scribe Pen doesn't need charging as it is an EMR pen, also known as an electromagnetic resonance pen. It uses electromagnetic resonance technology to communicate with the paired device. It consists of a built-in sensor and a coil. The sensor detects the pen's position and movement, while the coil generates an electromagnetic field that interacts with the device's surface. The pen is also pressure-sensitive, meaning it can detect the amount of pressure being applied to the pen tip. This feature allows for more accurate input, especially in drawing or sketching, as it can capture variations in line thickness and shading. Kindle Scribe Pen tip. While you don't need to charge the Kindle Scribe Pen, you will need to replace the pen tips. Depending on your writing style and how often you use it, the pen tips can last from 2 to 3 weeks with heavy pressure and lots of writing, up to 3 to 6 months with light pressure and occasional use. Don't worry though, your Kindle Scribe comes with 5 replacement tips and a tip replacement tool. Longevity of Kindle Scribe Pen tip. The longevity of Kindle Scribe Pen tips depends on individual usage patterns like frequency of use, writing pressure, writing style, and maintenance. However, on average, the pen tips for the Kindle Scribe Pen are designed to last for 2 to 3 weeks up to 3 to 6 months. Heavy-handed users, or those who frequently apply excessive pressure while writing or drawing may find the tips wear out more quickly. Conversely, lighter users, or those who use the device infrequently may see the pen tips lasting longer. If you notice any degradation in the performance of the pen tip, such as reduced sensitivity or skipping, it's a good indication that it may be time to replace it. Kindle Scribe comes with 5 replacement pen tips, allowing you to swap out the worn-out tip for a new one easily. Kindle Scribe Pen calibration. Kindle Scribe doesn't have a pen calibration feature. If any writing inconsistencies occur, like the pen tip not aligning correctly with the drawn lines, try removing and reseating the nib. Carefully take out the nib and reinsert it securely into the pen. This can sometimes address issues caused by a loose connection between the nib and the pen. Don't use a magnetic case or keep any magnets near your Kindle Scribe while writing. The screen relies on a magnetic field for precise writing, and any interference from external magnets can disrupt its functionality. Kindle Scribe Pen alternative. Looking for an alternative to the Kindle Scribe Pen? Any current generation Wacom EMR stylus with 4096 pressure levels will work on the Kindle Scribe. There are several options available that you can consider. When choosing a pen alternative, consider factors such as compatibility with your device, writing or drawing experience, and any specific features you may require. Here are a few alternatives you can consider. Remarkable 2 Marker Plus Stylus, Lamy Alstar EMR, Wacom 1 Stylus Pen, Staedtler Norris Jumbo Stylus, HP's Book X2 Pen, Various Samsung Pen like Galaxy Book 12, Note 10 Plus, Samsung S21 Ultra S Pen. You can also swap out nibs for a slightly different feel. Personally, I find that the remarkable 2-pin nibs work best for me. I hope this video quenches your thirst for Kindle Scribe Pen knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.